Hi, this is Priyanka Khurana Goel, Mrs. India 2015. I'll be representing India at the Mrs. Earth Pageant. I'm very glad to be associated with People Connect as the cause of women empowerment. I think economic independence for women is extremely important because it's not just about money. I think it also gives you a lot of independence and a lot of respect among your peers, among your family members, and also among your children, I would say. Because economic independence brings a lot of confidence in a woman, and that confidence has a capacity to do wonders. I think that I could win Mrs. India crown a lot is a contribution of my job. Because of my job, I had the independence, I had the confidence, and then that confidence obviously reflected on the Mrs. India stage. And I owe Mrs. India title to my job. To say the confidence which your job gives you has the capacity to do wonders in a lot of areas. So I'll give you an example. So let's say you have a very good job, you earn well, or let's say you earn decent, then the amount of confidence you feel because of that, it helps you in your relations. One, because you are viewed as an equal and not as somebody who is just a dependent on the other person. Your views are taken much more seriously in your family, in your in-laws as well. Because if you are respected outside office, there is a very high, people have perceptions, people have views, and if somebody is respected outside, sometimes that gives you a lot of respect inside home as well. And I have seen that in case of even my child. I go out, I go into an event, and if I get a lot of respect in that, I can see the change, and he does appreciate that, and suddenly he would become more loving. So sometimes I think the confidence because of a job helps you with your personal life. It gives you a lot of creativity. You get to talk to so many people. They give you different ideas in different forms. It's not just about job. When we go out, we have colleagues who are also our friends. So you go out with them. So it adds to your social life as well. These days, I would say that the thought process has changed. If we look at 20 years back, so most of the people would either be doctors or engineers, or there are set things that you have to do. You want a 9 to 5 job. You want either a teacher job or like something which is more standard. But I would say that people these days, they are much more experimentative in nature. Families are much more, people want to experiment, people want to try out new things, and people want to see what their real dreams are, and they want to go after those. And sometimes what happens is this gives a lot of flexibility as well, because if you're doing your own thing as against, let's say, a 9 to 5 job, so that offers the flexibility which can help you manage your work and personal life better. So my message to all the women who are listening to this would be, to make the most of this opportunity. It's a very good initiative by Back to the Front Career Connect, where you'll get to see other people, you'll get to see influential women, you'll get to meet a lot of companies and network among yourselves. A lot of the time, these networks come in very handy when you are looking at exploring different opportunities in your life. And many a times when we see people who are at the same stage in life as ourselves, sometimes the bonding itself is a motivation enough to do and try out something new. So my message is to make the most of this opportunity, and to not let go of your dreams just because you are at a particular stage in your life. Just think about what you want to do. Just explore what you want to do. Talk to people what you dream of, and then see how you can fulfill your dreams. And believe me, this will give you a lot of happiness, and this will give you the kind of satisfaction and happiness in your life which will help you become a better mother at home, which will help you become a better wife at home. Because a complete woman is able to give a lot more to her family, a lot more to the society, if she feels happy and satisfied inside. So if you don't give wings to your dream, you're not going to, you will think that I'm sacrificing everything for the family and all, but you're not doing justice to yourself and the family. So believe in yourself, live for your dreams, and make most of this opportunity to give wings to your dreams.